English house phrases. Welcome to FluentEase English. This is the channel where you learn English fast and speak with ease. Today's lesson is about house and home. Simple phrases you can use to describe rooms, furniture, and daily activities at home. Remember, when you listen and repeat many times, English becomes natural. Repetition builds your reflex. The more you repeat, the faster you speak. So stay with me, practice step by step, and enjoy the lesson. Let's get started. Mini story, Mark's cozy home. It's Sunday morning. Mark is proud of his home. He smiles and says, "This is my house. I love it." He walks inside and says, "I'm in my room right now. It's quiet and comfortable." Then he goes to the kitchen. "Wow, the kitchen is clean today," he says happily. Next, he checks the bathroom. He laughs and says, "The bathroom is small, but it's perfect for me." Mark walks to the bedroom and says, "I sleep in the bedroom every night. It's warm and cozy." In the afternoon, his friend Anna visits. They sit together and talk. Mark says, "We sit in the living room when guests come." Anna wants some fresh air. "Can you open the door?" she asks. Mark opens it with a smile. Then he notices the wind. "Oh, let me close the window," he says. Anna looks at his bed and says, "You really like your bed, don't you?" Mark laughs, "Yes, it's super comfortable." Before he leaves, Anna points at a chair and says, "Wow, that chair is new." Mark nods proudly, "Yes, I bought it yesterday." They enjoy tea and talk about life. Mark thinks to himself, "A cozy home makes a happy life." Now it's time for the Q&A mini story, Mark's cozy home. Listen carefully, answer quickly, and don't worry about mistakes. This step will make your English automatic. Let's begin. Mark loves his home. What does Mark say? "This is my house." Whose house is it? Mark's. What day is it? Sunday. He goes to his room. Where is he? In his room. How does the room feel? Quiet and comfortable. Is he in the kitchen? No. He walks to the kitchen. What does he say about the kitchen? The kitchen is clean. Is the kitchen messy? Number. How does he feel? Happy. He checks the bathroom. What does he say? The bathroom is small. Is it big? No, small. Does he think it's okay? Yes. He talks about the bedroom. Where does he sleep? In the bedroom. Does he sleep in the living room? Number. How is the bedroom? Warm and cozy. Anna visits Mark. Where do they sit? In the living room. Do they sit in the kitchen? Number. Who visits him? Anna. Anna wants fresh air. What does she ask Mark to do? Open the door. Does Mark open it? Yes. What does Mark close next? The window. Anna looks at the bed. What does Mark say about his bed? I like my bed. Is it comfortable? Yes. Does Anna notice something new? Yes, a new chair. What does Mark say about the chair? That chair is new. Did he buy it last week? No, yesterday. How does Mark feel at home? Happy and cozy. Excellent work. You have just completed the lesson about house and home, nyakua. Today, you practiced phrases like, "This is my house, I'm in my room," "The kitchen is clean," "Open the door," "Close the window," "I like my bed," and "That chair is new." Remember, repetition is the key. The more you repeat, the faster English becomes automatic. If you enjoyed this lesson, practice again tomorrow. Subscribe to FluentEase English and keep building your fluency step by step. See you in the next lesson.